So it is possible to have duplicate Google business listings, and this can happen if you set up a listing and forget about it and then start to set another one up, or if Google actually already created a listing for you based on information it found on other websites, and then you created a listing. So the best thing would be to claim an existing listing, but if you've already created a new listing and then later found out there was a duplicate listing, your best course of action is to update the listing that's already been verified if that's happened, because the verification process is just a pain. You don't really want to have to go through it again. So if you already have a listing that's verified, then I would suggest going with that one. And what you would do is then make sure that original listing has been updated with all the information that you used to set up the new one. Make sure all the information is filled out as much as possible. Make sure that everything is accurate, like location. And it's okay if you want to just do a service-based area, but make sure that that location, that city that you've listed is a location you're actually in. Add any recent photos, and once that has finished, then you can go ahead and mark the duplicate listing to be removed. And the way you would do that, so let's say, these two listings are actually duplicates. So this one had already been verified. This is a duplicate listing. And then you would select the duplicate one. You go up here and you would hit remove business. You can only do that if you're listed as the owner. So you need to make sure that you're in the correct Google account. And if somebody else set this up for you, they should have made you an owner. You should always be the owner of all of your properties, all your listings. So you go ahead and remove that business, and then the verified business listing stays, and then you just make sure that you're keeping that updated. Hope that's helpful.